Hey guys, and welcome back to Affiliate Drive Time from the front seat of my car. I've literally just pulled up to the office, and one of the things that have been on my mind for the last couple of weeks since we came back to work is getting yourself ready for lead generation. I did a poll on my LinkedIn a couple of weeks ago and just asked people what are the key things that they're going to be focusing on to grow their affiliate program in 2021. And finding new affiliates was the highest thing that was rated on the poll. So getting yourself ready for lead generation is incredibly important. And I wanted to spend a little bit of time just to help you to get that right as we move forward through our Drive Time series. So the next couple of sessions is going to really focus on how to maximize yourself in social media, how to ensure that your brand, your personal brand as an affiliate manager, and also your affiliate program is ready to actually support incoming lead generation as you go out and find new affiliate partners. So how do you get yourself ready for lead generation? Well, I've put a really nice little short PDF in the blog below that's going to take you through a couple of quick steps that you can do to make sure that your LinkedIn profile is set up to target the affiliates that you are looking to acquire. Now, often we update our LinkedIn profile based on what we perceive our job title and our service model to be, but actually we need to be doing that from the position of our customer or our affiliate. So making sure that what you write is actually talking to their pains, their frustrations, and their needs versus your own. So it's just a different way to think about getting yourself lead generation ready for social selling, because I do believe that that's going to be a really important part of an affiliate manager's role. Incidentally, if you want to learn a lot more about social selling and how to actually build your affiliate lead generation, our AMP training program is going to kick off on the 27th of January, and there are still a couple of spaces left. So if you're listening to this and you want to get down into the nitty-gritty of growing your affiliate program and really developing your skill set as an affiliate program manager, come along and have a look at that AMP training course, because I promise you will learn a lot of the tactics that we use to grow our clients' affiliate programs. So have a look at the blog below. Get yourself lead generation ready. Take a look at some of the steps that we're telling you to implement on your social platforms. And just remember to be open and authentic, because affiliates want to know who they're going to be working with before they sign up to your program. And portraying yourself in social media is a great place to start, to actually start building that rapport with them. So best of luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next week.